The first one is the 5052 alloy. Okay, so what is the composition? Composition is 2.25% of magnesium and 0.2% of chromium. Properties: the good strength and excellent corrosion resistance, good formability and weldability. These are the properties, and you need to remember that 2.5% of magnesium is only there, right? If we talk about the application, is marine structures, fuel tanks, pressure vessels, trailers, and road signs. Now, 5083 alloys. This is just a name. Okay, name of what? Aluminum magnesium alloys, which is also categorized as a 5 triple X. Okay, now here the composition is 4.5% of magnesium. So here we are having more magnesium in this particular alloy. 0.1% of chromium, 0.7% of manganese. Okay, so now the properties: highest strength among the non-heat treatable. So whatever all the kind of the aluminum magnesium alloy, only 5083, the alloy which are having the highest strength. So see these terms: highest strength among the non-heat treatable aluminum magnesium alloy. So all the magnesium aluminum alloy, aluminum magnesium alloys that we are having, amongst all, only 5083 alloys have the highest strength. Okay, so superior corrosion resistance in marine and industrial environment. This is the main properties of whenever we talk about the aluminum magnesium, then corrosion resistance is at the top. Okay, this is the top properties. So good weldability but reduce the machinability. So welding property is high, at the same time machinability is reduced. Application, same kind of application: shipbuilding, pressure vessels, cryogenic tanks, and offshore structures.